Hey guys, it's a new day and I just got home from school. I have not looked in this package and here it is. I just cut it open just so when I have the video be ready, but here is what's inside. Okay, so I'm gonna see if there's like a little card or anything in here. I don't see it. Well, I don't think there is a card, but that is totally fine. Wait a minute, I think I just found one. Hold on. Okay, I feel it now. It's this Ketchupgiri, and I'm just going to give a shout out to Ketchupgiri because she's amazing. I will leave all her info in the description box down below. And I did order the tomato, and I did order a couple. I just ordered the tomatoes, so I think I got it. You guys have another peek. So here it is. Here's just the packaging now since it's out. Just like right there. Is there anything else? Yes. Here it is. Trying to spread the packaging out. Sorry. So here it is. I'm gonna give it a big. Okay, here's the packaging. Here it says Ketchupgiri. And down here is just like a little tomato. And I love the way she designed the packaging. Like he did, or whoever designed it. And then it says, I love ketchup. And then it's by Funimaro. I don't know if it's licensed or not, but it's totally fine. So, I don't think she added a cent. But I'm just going to take it out. Even though, wait, first let me squish it in packaging. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I always look my pinkies up. That is super soft. I thought it would just be a pop-up. Do you guys see that? I'm in love with this. It's like not even rising. Okay, that's over exaggerated. It has no defects of what I can see so far. Wow. Okay, so let's take it out. Here's just a little thing where it's a little dirty, but that's fine. This came really fast, actually. It got in 3 days because I ordered it 3 days ago. This is super soft. I can't believe I'm holding it in my hand. It smells like nothing. Is it licensed? I don't think it's licensed. No, but that is totally fine. You ready for this enormous? Here's just the face, like a little face. But yes, let's give it a big squish. This smells like chemicals, basically. It's not even done. Okay, tomato, I see you. I feel you. And I get that from Purple Banana 25. I see you, Tomato. I see you just rocking it. Just rocking it. It did come with like a little manufacturing defect. I just saw it. Where is it? I'm losing my goddamn mind. And I did not say the bad word. I said dang. Oh yeah, here it is. Come with a little paint rips. You might not be able to see it, but it still hasn't finished rising. Now I'm like, here's the back. I'm just squishing it soft. So. It's a little rolling tomato. Little rolling tomato. Yeah. They look exactly like the same. Comparison. It just made a card line. Like. Here's the front. Here's the back. Let me just squish the little leaves for you. They're very slow. Sorry, I can't stop squishing this. I'm just actually I'm gonna be back when I finish rising, so I can tell you something. After like 2 or 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna flatten it up. Just so here's a little trick when you want to put it back in packaging, and it's round. Just squish it to the point where it's flattened. That's what I do. So let me just show you. Here's the squishy. Flatten it out. Okay, here it is, like a pancake now. Flatten it out. And just like put it in there. And I'm just gonna put the business card so I won't lose it too. Yachty's awesome. There we go. Flatten it out some more so I can close the packaging. My name is Therma. I know what I know. My name is Gertie. I rock the tick-tick-toe. I have a ton of dark and fashion tips, so comment down below. My name is Therma. I know what I know. Yeah, these are awesome and they live in the snow with us. And I know. Oh yeah, I'm just singing that from All Around Audrey and just Jordan 33. So go check them out. I'm just pulling out my socks. Go green, because green is my favorite color. I'm so happy I got this. Like, you don't even know. Like, I didn't even cut it, I just tore it. Let's see. I ordered it the 24th, and today's the 27th, so it only took 3 days to arrive, which is amazing. And it came from Zia Opening Zoo. So it's like, let me be right back to something to cover. You know what? I don't even care. Alright. Here it is. And let me just zoom up. Let me just zoom the camera in. Turn that place right there. Oops. You guys saw that. Oops.